Imagine having a virtual assistant who can write anything you need, from drafting a report to writing content that mimics your style. It can analyze your spreadsheet data and perform tasks that can take hours from you in just a few seconds. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's what Microsoft claims to offer with its new chatbot assistant, Copilot. But is Copilot really as amazing as it sounds, or is it just another hype? In this video, we will dive into the fascinating work of Microsoft Copilot, a revolutionary AI system that offers to make your work easier and more efficient. We'll cover everything, from where it came from and how it does its magic, to practical tips on how you can integrate it into your daily grind. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Microsoft Rebirth. Microsoft is one of the oldest and most successful tech companies in the world, but in recent years, it has faced some challenges and criticisms. Its products like Windows Phone, Surface Tablet, and Bing have failed to gain much popularity and market share, especially compared to its rivals like Google and Apple. Google has dominated the fields of web search, mobile operating systems, and cloud computing, and has even entered a workspace territory, a field that has been dominated by Microsoft. Apple, on the other hand, has continued to innovate and impress with its hardware and software products, such as the iPhone, the iPad, the Mac, and most recently the M1 chip, which threatens to disrupt the entire PC industry. If Microsoft doesn't work on improving itself, soon they might also become a relic of the past like Xerox and IBM. Well, luckily the new CEO, Satya Nadella, has a clear vision. Since taking the helm of the company in 2014, he set Microsoft to focus on what matters, namely cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and cross-platform compatibility. He also fostered a culture of innovation and collaboration within the company, encouraging employees to experiment and learn from failure. One of the most significant moves that Nadella made was to invest in OpenAI, a research organization that aims to create and ensure the safe and beneficial use of artificial intelligence. In 2019, Microsoft announced that it would invest $1 billion in OpenAI and become its exclusive cloud provider. In exchange, Microsoft would get access to OpenAI's technologies and innovations, such as its GPT's natural language models, which powered the renowned ChatGPT and DALL-E. From this collaboration, Microsoft Copilot emerged. It is an advanced AI tool that can assist users with various tasks, such as writing, coding, creating images, and answering questions. It is powered by OpenAI, Bing, and Microsoft technologies, and it can be accessed through a sidebar in Windows 11 or through a web browser. Copilot is also integrated with various Microsoft applications and services, such as Microsoft 365, Sales, Service, GitHub, and Security. The Copilots can help you with specific tasks, such as creating documents, presentations, spreadsheets, code, graphics, charts, and more. So, let's look at each of them in detail. Before we continue, please do us a favor and like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out and lets us know that you want more videos like this. Copilot on Edge. For years, people have often joked about the Microsoft browser, using it mainly to download other browsers. However, things have taken a turn with the recent update to Microsoft Edge. In February 2023, Microsoft introduced a significant update to Microsoft Edge, introducing Bing Chat, an AI chatbot powered by GPT-4, similar to ChatGPT. Unlike ChatGPT, which relies on its internal database, Bing Chat benefits from the mature Bing search engine, providing access to the vast resources of the internet. The seamless integration of Bing search capabilities and GPT-4 in Edge has truly elevated the browsing experience to a whole new level. For example, if you are reading a long and complex web page, you can ask Bing Chat to summarize it for you in a few sentences. It will use GPT-4 to extract the main points and present them to you in a concise and clear way. Another example is that you can ask Bing Chat any questions and it will give you not only a single answer but also provide you with multiple references from Bing's database so you can verify and compare the sources. It will also highlight the relevant parts of the web page and the references so you can easily find the evidence and the explanation. Bing Chat goes beyond just text. It can generate business reports, blog posts, stories, essays, and even songs. It's not limited to words. Powered by DALL-E 3, it can create images too. All you need to do is express what you're looking for, and Bing Chat will craft it for you. Throughout 2023, Bing Chat's versatility has extended to integrate seamlessly with other Microsoft applications. And this unified AI experience has been collectively rebranded as Copilot. Windows Copilot. The recent update has brought many improvements and features to Windows 11, such as a new Start menu, a new taskbar, a new File Explorer, and more. But the most exciting new feature was Copilot, which seamlessly integrates with the Windows environment and allows the AI to change the system's settings. For example, if you want to play a certain song on Spotify, you can just type "Play my favorite song on Spotify" and Copilot will instantly do it for you. And if you want to change the system's setting, such as switching to the dark theme or adjusting the brightness, you can just type "Change to the dark theme" or "Increase the brightness by 20% and Copilot will do the task for you without you entering the system's setting. For pro users, this might not be very exciting, but for general users, Copilot can turn them into power users. Another exciting feature that Copilot brings to the table is voice command functionality. Instead of typing, you can now use your voice to interact with Copilot, engaging in a conversation as if you're talking to a friend. Copilot is versatile and capable of discussing a range of topics, from weather and news to sports and more. Copilot can also enhance some of the Windows apps, such as Paint. With Copilot, Paint becomes more powerful and creative. The new Paint app introduces a new mode called Co-Creator, which is powered by DALL-E 3. With Co-Creator mode, you can use the software to generate or edit images using your voice or text. For example, if you have a specific image in mind, you can describe it, and Copilot will generate it for you. You also have the flexibility to fine-tune parameters such as style, color, and size to get the image you want. Co-Creator mode even allows you to edit existing images, whether it's removing backgrounds or changing the color of objects. But Copilot's most promising application lies in making a significant leap toward modernizing the way we work. Microsoft 365 Copilot. One of the best things about Copilot is that it seamlessly integrates with the Microsoft 365 suite of business productivity and collaboration apps, such as Word, Outlook, Teams, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. They can access and use your personal data from these apps, such as your documents, emails, contacts, calendar, and more, and use them to generate content, answer questions, and perform actions for you. But don't worry, your data is only used internally only for you, and your data will not be used by Microsoft or anyone else. Here is how it works. If you're using Outlook, Copilot can streamline your email management. It can provide concise summaries of your emails, allowing you to grasp the key message without reading the entire text. Additionally, Copilot can assist in scheduling meetings and generating agendas based on information gleaned from your internal documents. When working in Word, Copilot becomes a valuable aid in drafting reports. By drawing on your previous documents, it can help you create content efficiently. Moreover, Copilot can mirror the tone of your writing, ensuring a consistent and professional style across your work. In Excel, Copilot transforms the way you handle tasks, from basic calculations to more advanced operations like creating pivot tables and visualizing data. Tasks that would typically take hours can be completed in just a few seconds with Copilot, making it a significant time saver. In PowerPoint, Copilot can help you create a beautiful presentation with images, charts, and animations. You can just type or say "create a presentation on the marketing strategy for the next year" based on the data from Word and Outlook, and Copilot will do exactly that. But that's not all. Copilot can also help you with collaboration and efficiency with your team and colleagues. With Copilot, you can use Teams and Outlook to communicate and share information with your team members, and Copilot can pull the data from various departments in the organization it is allowed to. For example, if you want to get an update on the progress of a project, you can just type or say "get an update on the project X" from the engineering team and the design team, and Copilot will get the information for you. AI-powered organization. Copilot Studio emerges as another powerful tool under the Copilot umbrella, offering users the ability to create custom plugins tailored to their specific needs. With Copilot Studio, you can define your own commands, inputs, outputs, and parameters for Copilot, and then use them to generate content, answer questions, and perform actions for you. For example, if you are a teacher, you can create a plugin that can generate quizzes, tests, and assignments for your students based on the topics and the difficulty level that you specify. You can also create a plugin that can grade your students' work and provide feedback and suggestions for improvement. Copilot extends its reach to specialized products like Copilot Security, which is designed for IT professionals and security experts. Copilot Security enhances cybersecurity measures by assisting in the analysis of threats from files or URLs and actively tracking malicious activities within accessible databases. There is also a Copilot for Sales, which is designed for sales professionals and managers. With Copilot for Sales, you can revolutionize your sales department and increase your efficiency and success. Copilot for Sales can help you with generating leads, creating proposals, closing deals, and managing relationships. For example, if you want to find potential customers for your product or service, you can ask Copilot for Sales to generate a list of leads based on the criteria and the sources that you specify, and Copilot for Sales will do it for you. Microsoft also offers Copilot for Services, which is designed for customer service professionals and agents. With Copilot for Services, you can empower your customer service team and provide streamlined and effective customer support. Copilot for Services can help you with answering customer queries, resolving customer issues, and providing customer feedback. For example, if you receive a customer query via email, chat, or phone, you can ask Copilot for Services to answer it for you, based on the information and the policies that you have, and Copilot for Services will do it for you. Copilot is also available for developers on platforms like GitHub, Azure AI, Viva, and many others. It appears that virtually all Microsoft products incorporate Copilot functionality. Conclusion: a Copilot company. With almost all Microsoft products integrated into Copilot, it is safe to say that Microsoft has entered a new phase with its AI innovation. The company's CEO, Satya Nadella, even proudly calls Microsoft a Copilot company, showing his vision and strategy for the future. He believes that AI can help users do more, express their creativity, and improve their efficiency. After so many years of stagnation, it is exciting to see Microsoft once again leading the crowd with its AI Copilot project. The anticipation is high, and we are eager to see what Microsoft and Copilot will bring to the table in the future. So, what are your thoughts on Copilot? Are you excited about it, or do you think it's just hype? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on the exciting world of artificial intelligence. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.